Further to my video about the corrupted files on DesignSpark Mechanical, I mentioned in one of my comments that I'd backed up all the files onto 2 memory sticks, and here they are. This is the Kingston memory stick, and here are all the backup files. If I click on the size, we'll get them sorted from the largest 46,000 kilobytes to the smallest 13 kilobytes. That 1 kilobyte is something I don't understand, a .mwp file. Don't know where that's come from, but it's range. The rsdoc files range from 13 kilobytes up to 46,000 kilobytes. And the other memory stick is the UDisk Pro Hermes logo backup, and the same is here, 46,076 and down to 13 kilobytes. The point being that after backing them all up on this pardon me, on these memory sticks, I've been using the original files to play around with these corrupted files to see if I could try and get some idea what has happened. But as I've been doing that, I noticed something. Some of these files have been reduced to 0 bytes. There's a one. There's another. And another down here. So if we do a sort on the size, we see that, oops, go down, we've got loads of them. Right, and there we are. rsdoc files, from there down to the bottom, shift click, 44 items selected, 0 bytes. So now DesignSpark Mechanical, for reasons only known to itself, has set 44 of these rsdoc files to 0 bytes. This is getting weirder and weirder.